Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best LED lights is probably one of the most versatile and impactful upgrades you can make to your home or workspace, offering a brilliant blend of energy efficiency, longevity, and customizable ambience that traditional lighting simply can't match, transforming ordinary spaces into vibrant, inviting environments with a simple flick of a switch. Number 5. PANGTON Villa 8.2 feet LED TV Backlight. Elevate your entertainment with vibrant LED lighting designed to enhance your TV. It creates a more immersive atmosphere for movies, gaming, and relaxation. Easily manage your lighting with the Bluetooth app or the included remote. Adjust colors and modes effortlessly from the comfort of your couch. Choose from 16 dynamic colors to perfectly match your mood or screen content. Create a personalized glow that complements any setting. Experience lighting that moves to the beat. These lights react to music and sound, adding an exciting dimension to your parties and movie nights. Installation is a breeze with the strong adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick it behind your TV for a clean, customized look. This 8.2 feet USB-powered strip is designed for TVs ranging from 40 to 60 inches. It's the perfect, simple upgrade for your entertainment area. What we like. This one offers seamless control via a Bluetooth app and remote, making it incredibly easy to adjust your lighting. If you love syncing your lights with music for parties or gaming, this is the perfect choice. You should consider this if you want an immersive and dynamic entertainment experience. What people say. Installation was very quick. I suggest using an alcohol pad or a window cleaner soaked paper towel to clean the back of the TV or whatever surface you choose to put these strips on, but, with moderate effort, these went on nice and easy and stuck to the surface pretty good. Great variety of colors. The 3M backing tape holds firm. The lights are still going strong and I have had zero issues with them. When I turn on my TV, they turn on with it and cycle through the colors just as the day I purchased. Number 4. HitLights LED Strip Lights Accent Kit. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with pre-cut LED strips, a remote, power supply, and connectors for easy DIY decoration. Create the perfect ambience for any occasion, especially holidays like Halloween and Christmas. Decorate your home, bedroom, kitchen, and more with vibrant accent lighting. Easily control your lights with the included RF remote. It offers 12 colors, 19 modes, and adjustable brightness and speed, with a long-range control of up to 66 feet. We've upgraded the adhesive to ensure a secure fit, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. The included clips help keep everything tidy. These small but powerful LED strips feature double-layer copper PCBs and super bright 5050 LEDs. Enjoy pure, stable, and brighter lighting for various applications like TV backlights or cabinet lighting. The 12V power adapter is UL certified for safety and durability. You can trust it for long-lasting and reliable performance. What we like. This kit provides everything you need in one box, including pre-cut strips and connectors for easy DIY projects. If you're looking for a versatile lighting solution for various decorations, especially holidays, this is a great option. You should choose this if you want a convenient and comprehensive lighting setup for multiple applications. What people say. Being able to change to a red or blue color in the evening is perfect for relieving eye strain when performing other tasks, but still gives me plenty of light so I can write or see my keyboard clearly. The strips are sized perfectly for adding accent light to a PC. Having 4 1-foot sections is way easier to work with than trying to use a single long strip or soldering them yourself. The LED strip are of good quality with decent flexibility, the luminosity is really good and the controller can adjust the brightness in a comfortable way. Number 3. HitLights Small RGB LED Strip Lights. Introducing the HitLights RGB LED Strip Lights, a versatile lighting solution for any space. These small, dimmable LED strips offer vibrant color-changing capabilities with an easy-to-use remote. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a quick and simple setup. It comes with 4 pre-cut short LED strips, a remote, power supply, and all necessary accessories. Experience brighter, longer-lasting illumination with our small RGB LED light strips. Featuring double-layer copper on the PCB and ultra-bright 5050 LEDs, they are designed for superior efficiency and performance. Take full control of your lighting experience with the 360 degrees RF remote. Easily select from 12 colors and 19 modes, adjust brightness, and change speed from up to 66 feet away, even through obstacles. Our LED strip lights feature a super strong self-adhesive backing for a secure, long-lasting hold. The included 12V adapter is UL listed, ensuring safety and durability for your peace of mind. Transform any room into a festive or relaxing atmosphere. These lights are perfect for decorating bedrooms, cabinets, shelves, and are especially great for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, and parties. What we like. This option comes with 4 pre-cut, smaller LED strips, making it ideal for precise installations and smaller spaces. If you need flexible lighting for detailed areas like behind a TV or under cabinets, this is a fantastic choice. You should consider this if you prioritize a neat, customizable, and safe lighting solution for various accent lighting needs. What people say. Being able to change to a red or blue color in the evening is perfect for relieving eye strain when performing other tasks, but still gives me plenty of light so I can write or see my keyboard clearly. The strips are sized perfectly for adding accent light to a PC. Having 4 1-foot sections is way easier to work with than trying to use a single long strip or building soldering them yourself. The LED strip are of good quality with decent flexibility, the luminosity is really good and the controller can adjust the brightness in a comfortable way. Number 2. KANTUTOE 11.5-foot RGB LED TV Lights. Experience your favorite content like never before. These lights sync with music and ambient sound, creating a dynamic visual experience. Easily manage your lighting with the included remote or a convenient mobile app. Choose from millions of colors and modes to set the perfect mood. These lights provide adjustable ambient lighting behind your screen. This helps reduce eye fatigue by minimizing the contrast between the bright screen and dark surroundings. Installation is a breeze with strong adhesive and included clips. The compact receiver tucks away discreetly behind your TV. Perfect for your TV, PC, or gaming monitor, these lights also add a festive touch to holidays and celebrations. Enjoy safe, low-voltage USB power. Choose from over 20 dynamic modes and 16 million colors. Let the lights dance to the beat of your music for an engaging atmosphere. What we like. This offers a longer strip and advanced control options, including both Bluetooth app and music synchronization. If you have a larger TV or want to create a more dramatic ambient effect that reacts to sound and music, this is the one to get. You should choose this if you're looking for an immersive, responsive lighting experience with extensive customization. What people say. The setup was quick and straightforward, and they stuck well to the back of the TV without peeling. The lights are bright, colorful, and really enhance the whole viewing experience, especially at night. My son loves the different color options and modes. Being able to change colors and effects makes it more fun for movies and gaming. The remote app control works smoothly and responds quickly. They also help reduce eye strain by adding soft backlighting behind the screen. Number 1. LAFULIT Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Introducing a versatile lighting solution designed to illuminate your kitchen and beyond. This kit offers flexible installation and customizable brightness to suit any need. With multiple connectors and pre-cut strips, you can create the perfect lighting layout for any space. Bend and fold them around corners or connect them across gaps for a seamless look. Enjoy a warm, inviting glow with adjustable brightness levels. Easily control the intensity to create the perfect ambience for any activity. Manage your lighting effortlessly with the included remote or mini dimmer. Turn them on/off, adjust brightness, and set timers with ease. Set your lights to turn off automatically with the built-in timer function. Plus, it remembers your last settings, so you get the perfect light every time you turn it on. Installation is a breeze with the strong self-adhesive backing. Perfect for kitchens, cabinets, shelves, desks, and more, transforming any area in minutes. What we like. This kit is designed for under-cabinet and accent lighting, featuring multiple short strips and a warm white glow. If you need to illuminate specific areas like kitchen counters or shelves with a cozy ambience and the convenience of a timer, this is perfect. You should consider this if you want a practical, customizable, and energy-efficient lighting solution for functional spaces. What people say. Nice and bright. I think in one of the questions it says 200 lumens per 20-inch light strip. The 4000K strips are a nice white color. Installation is about as easy as it gets. Peel the backing off the light strip and stick it up. It also comes with 6 or 8 little plastic clips which are also peel and stick to hold up the wire between the first light strip and the power outlet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.